about to begin. What's up, YouTube Metaverse? This is your boy Meta Bro Jake, and I'm here with the Meta Bros, baby. We are in formation, ready to crack some cases. Whoop, whoop. All right, you guys, but not only that, we got Ghost from the Past is here today, baby. The Ghost from the Past have caught up to the Meta Bros. Let's get some ghost rares, baby. Let's do it. I'm gonna be taking the camera away from my dude Max, and I'm actually gonna be the cameraman on this one. You guys are gonna change it up. But bless the pulls, everyone that's watching this video. And you guys, before we get into this case opening, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, get the Meta Bros on the screen. That's the way to break through the algorithm. Also, be sure to subscribe to the Super Meta Bros, because you know we're always coming with that fire YGO content. And while you're doing that, be sure to beat down that notification bell, baby, to get reminded every time we upload new content, just for you guys. Bam, my dude, here we go, man. We got Brian, my dude Nick's in the house, and my dude Max Payne. Let's do this, man. This is Ghost from the Past. You guys, check this case out, first of all, man. Why is it so long?
Yeah, honestly, why is it so long?
Why is it so long, bro?
For reals, man. So check this out, you guys. This one was chosen because it was upside down. It was the oddball, uncommon, like my man Max said. Let's do this, man. Who's doing the honors?
Nicholas is joining us for the first time.
Nick, yeah.
So, yeah, this is my first time pulling cards with the boys, you know? Man, glad to be here. That's all I can say.
Hell yeah,
Let's
man.
get into it, you guys. Very excited.
My dude Nick has joined us at the Meta Bro compound. We're cracking cases, man. This is how the Meta Bros be doing it nowadays.
You gotta help me.
Dude, why is it so long?
It's like one of them them party entrees. You know how you like to get the big old tray of food? There it is. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That's fire, man.
But only
Wow.
15 cards per case?
No, 5 little boxes in each display, and each box has 3 packs.
Displays for days. 10 displays in each case? That is insane.
That's cool.
Dude, that's fire, man. Let's go, baby.
Gotta make the pyramid for the picture.
That is so tight, dude.
It's gonna fall.
The Leaning Tower of Cheesa. Look at Daisy. Daisy's in the video too.
Oh, look at the little thing.
Nice. Daisy, look at this. That's like the wall in Game of Thrones, dude. It's iced out. Nice, man. Why do you want to buy that one, my dude?
It's gonna have the ghost one.
What? Dude, there could be another ghost rare in here, though.
He's gonna have 2
That's
ghost
the trip.
There could be 2 or 3.
Yeah,
He's gonna have
dude.
2 ghost rares in one
Wow.
case.
This is the one I'm starting with right here.
This is gonna be the
It has a
Dark
nipple on it,
Magician
huh?
or
Let me
the
see.
EPICNESS.
Yeah, I was like, did somebody like peel that already? No, but it's all sealed.
It's just loosey-goosey, huh?
I'm gonna put 5 to the side for the gram.
All right.
We'll
now,
do 5 for the live after the vid.
You're the man, my dude. Man, it's nice getting blessed, man. You know, like the Meta Bros could actually bless everyone out there watching these videos with some fire content, because not everyone could get this stuff. You know what I mean?
Right.
We actually got lucky enough, man, to know good people in the community that look out for us, dude. And that's what's super fire about all this, man.
It is awesome. Yeah, not only like first we all pulled together, like we all had the idea of let's go in on it, and then you know we have the great place like Frank's, and we had many choices, and it's like, hey, like this is my favorite guy,
Right, right.
and then you know we get to choose from there. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, man.
Here.
Dude,
Very nice
that-
to live next to
You
Frank's.
wanna open it?
Nick, how happy would you get if you packed that Blue Eyes, my dude? Ghost rare.
Oh,
You have
man,
the sleeves
that'd be
next to
lit.
it.
Honestly, I'm looking for that Dark Magician.
Dude, for reals, that's too fire, dude.
I want
really
the
want that.
BLS.
That's my number.
Woo!
BLS?
That's
Too
my number
fire.
one.
Run it in your extra deck?
Dude, I would run the Dark Magician in my main deck. Dragoon?
That would be sick,
Dude.
dude. That's insane.
I want to buy a display just so I could pull one,
Are we ready?
and I would run it in my deck.
He's
Easily.
rolling.
All right, so my dude, you separated the case, you put 5 away for the gram,
Right.
and now there stands 5 displays before us.
Open that one last.
Before we get into it, though, you guys, we gotta say grace, man. We gotta do a little grace, man.
Bless the pools.
Bless the
pools.
bless the pools, you guys.
Bless the fools.
Not only our pools, you guys, but bless everybody's pools that are watching this right now. Let's go, my dudes. Let's get to crack-a-lacking.
Dig in.
Yeah, my guys.
All right. Nick, man, this has to be the most epic set, though, bro, for you to come, dude, and open this, dude. I'm actually excited for you, bro. Cause
Pressing my cherry on the ghosts from the past.
yeah, that's so dope, man. Let's go, my dudes. These displays are just fire, too, man. You can't go wrong with the alternative dragon. And then you
did it wrong.
You gotta
that
do
Dark Magician.
I never opened up a box.
Because you don't know how.
Firewall, Dark Magician on the side.
But I mean, if that Dark Magician girl was in this set, it would have been too fire.
Dude, insanely fire, bro.
Insane. But no.
Oh, look, check it out.
Oh, dude, those packs look so dope.
Yeah, that Dark Magician pack, too good.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, that's right. The Ghost Rare.
The Ghost Rare Link BLS, my dude. Let's get it.
Careful. Wait.
You guys are about to see that signature Nick pack opening.
His style.
Oh yeah.
Nick style.
Dude, look. Even the packs have those lines like the ghosts. Does that mean there's a ghost in this pack?
Oh, let's go.
Okay.
Careful. I'm just opening them all up, one display, up at a time, because it's gonna be a pain in the butt with all the plastic and cardboard.
No problem, my dude. Load it up, man.
Right.
So we got Country.
Yo, bro.
Shout out Ojama Emperor. With Dolce.
Mask Change 2.
Mass Change 2. Oh, look.
Oh, Requiem?
That Requiem.
Dirty.
Oh, look. Right off the bat. What is that?
Oh, that's like a little $10 card right there.
$10 hauler.
Nice.
We got a tin can.
Oh, tin can.
Time Thief.
That's lit.
Heretic Sun.
Is this the highest rarity tin
Heretic
can?
Seal.
No, same rarity.
Oh, look.
Same
That
rarity?
that new stuff.
New stuff.
I know you guys are going to focus on me for a bit because Nick's busy in the back. Mass opening his packs.
Making a stack.
The only way Nick knows how to do it, man. Sniff the stack, though, before you start going through it.
He's like, you already know.
Dragoonity. Heretic Dragon of the set.
Brian, how come you ain't cracking a pack right now?
Gotta watch them.
Ooh, mask change.
Mass Change.
They got the
1
diamond
and 2.
hands.
That's dope.
And a Dragoonity Glow.
That's fire.
That's high rarity for mask change. We got a gold and a super
You want that?
89.
and a common, yeah.
You run that
Ultra.
in the deck?
At 3?
More Time Thief support.
Staple.
Staple.
Sunvine Shrine. That Sunvine deck seems like it's gonna be popular.
That's a pretty looking card.
That's a good card, dude.
Wow. That's a really pretty card.
This one, 3 level 9s. Splash Mage.
Ooh, look, Wawa.
Oh, is this the new vampire?
Yeah, nice.
Right.
That might be worth something too.
I haven't really checked fully the prices. I only know the big ones. The ones everyone's chasing. Oh, we got
The
some
ghost.
pendulum action up in
Oh,
here.
sweet.
Where's the ghost?
You know, people think Konami don't like the pendulum
I mean,
engine.
didn't they ban the card that didn't come out?
Sunseed Shadow.
The Metaphors, didn't they ban something like that? The Metaphors link?
Yeah, Electromite?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still banned, my dude.
Immediately, no?
It's because it's like a generic pendulum card that
Yeah.
lets you search like a pendulum card. Just
That's why they hate it.
bonkers,
That's
dude.
why they hate it.
yeah, there's so many crazy pendulum cards.
We got Time Thief. Oh, look, throwback Thrasher.
But boy,
That's dope. An ABC deck, huh?
Right. With Mithrilium. Just talking about Metaphos. First fusion that I've seen.
Another metal foes, huh?
Combination. And another Cypher X Dragon.
Once upon a time, I ran metal foes.
Yeah?
Yeah, played it for a little while.
I can't wait to look at Nick's cards.
Oh, he's got a giant pile.
Yeah.
Heretic Dragon. Another Heretic Sun Overlord. Sunvine Healer. Time Thief Flyback.
It was
And
evenly
Dragoonity
matched, bro.
Legatus.
Oh.
That looks
Evenly
intense.
matched is in the set, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Bro,
haven't seen.
where's evenly matched?
Where is the evenly?
Come Come on, Dark Magician.
Dark Position, Ghost
You're
Rare.
done, you're on the
Heart of the
last one.
cards.
Did you say
Guide
dark
me.
position?
The lackluster soldier.
Oh, old school
Old school
card.
right here.
Fire.
Hanzo.
Hyozanryu.
Hyozan.
Cosmojo reprint.
That's
Everyone's
dope.
after.
Uh-oh.
Is that highest rarity?
Sunseed,
Nope.
Genius,
He
Loci, or
said no.
Lokai. What do you think? What do you think?
I don't know.
And
I think
then
that's vanilla though.
Galaxy Eye Cypher Blade. Oh,
There it
Remus.
is.
There's the Remus.
Remus.
Save that up.
30 sheets, my dude.
He said 45.
Oh man, that is fire. That is so dope.
Durandorol. That's the first one I see. Miss Valley, Baby Rock. Metaphos Counter.
Oh sick.
And Orchestrated Return.
Nice. Another reprint of that. I
Yeah,
think
right.
it originally came as an ultra, and then it got a reprint in the tins as a secret.
Yeah, I got a rarity bump, and then we got more availability, I guess.
Yeah.
He opens packs pretty fast, huh?
Salvage. Time
He's a
Thief
pro
Bezel
now.
Shit.
Look at him.
Time Thief Retro Gate. Oh, look. I thought this art looked pretty intense. Look at everything
Oh,
around
dude,
it. It's
that's
just
so
like,
sick.
Yeah, that looks
What?
dope, man.
Oh, did you get that?
you want that?
No,
Tree of
I want
Life.
to see it. I didn't
Starry Night.
see
Tree
it.
of Life.
That's a cool looking card.
Is that a Blue Eyes?
Looks like one.
Folder worthy, dude.
Something like
Is it a
it.
Blue Eyes card?
No, it's the Starry Night archetype.
Oh, okay.
Dragoonity Quiblet. Asset. Fusion.
That's dope.
Mass Change once more.
Fight.
And Ghost. Oh, Time Thief Double Barrel.
Nice.
It's the first one I see.
One more for the set.
Yeah.
Which one?
Match change.
Here we go.
I need that.
One
Here's
sec.
3 more packs, Nick.
Yeah.
Gear Town. Wolfflame. Supremacy. And Erratic Sky Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis. It's new or what? I haven't seen that one.
You're excited on it.
It's ready to go, man.
Look at that fat pile.
Look at that stack. He already flipped it. We already know one of the cards.
One Supremacy. Starry Night. Man, that's the first one I see.
Nice Starry Nights.
Sunvine Maiden.
No ghost.
Oh, look. That's in here.
Oh, that's a good one, dude.
You like that?
Tackle Crusader.
Oh,
Ooh,
level 10.
Dude, that's such a fire art every time.
It's nice. 2 more.
Another one we got OG, dude, from the same OTS set. What's up with that?
Oh, look. Womp womp.
Oh, Buster Dragon? That's fire.
Yo, sleep him up.
Baby Rock.
That's the boy. Even though he's in
Monarch
jail.
Erupt. Another one of these
Tree of
nice
Life.
trees. Oh!
Evenly matched, baby. There we go.
There it is. Let's end it with a Ghost to Dark Magician.
Yeah, another little 17 hots right there. Well, at the time of recording, it's 17 hots, so it's pretty
First. Oh, cool. Look. Rarity bumped update jammer.
nice. That's dope.
Hyozanryu. Oh, there's the Dark Lady.
Dark Lady, come on, Ghost.
Starry Night Flamo.
Ooh, it's time for the big
All
pile.
right, one display down. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Gotta go next.
Now,
Nick.
my main man,
Nicholas.
Nicodus Furious, is in the building.
I usually just do a stack and then we just blow right
Did
through
you
the
sniff
pile.
it though?
Did you sniff it?
It smells good, huh?
Yes.
Nice. Let's go, my dude.
All right. We got Hyozanryu, Cosmojo, that Sunseed, some Galaxy Eyes, some Starry Night,
Alright, so
Erratic.
That's the rare. Or that's the chase.
Yeah,
The
we're-
5th card is the chase, right?
Yeah, you know what? We're going 5 cards at a time.
Come on, you guys, bless the pulls. Ooh, I almost thought that was Firewall, dude. I can't really see the names at this angle. I could just see, like, you know,
Oh.
the card type. Oh, Madolce, yeah, that's fire.
Dolce, some Gear Town, some Metaphors Volflame, Erratic Seal of Supremacy,
There you go.
and Shadow Genius, Metaphors Norithal,
Where's this?
Artifact Dundrel,
Wait,
Miss Valley Baby Rock,
did you grab this?
Metaphors Counter, Dragonity Knight, Abrid Hair, Metal Foes Silvered. Sunseed Shadow.
Nice.
Nice.
Unity Draft.
Erratic.
Erratic Dragon of the Tufnet.
Yeah, that's a reprint card, I think.
I'm trying on these names. The Lawless Salamander.
That's a new card.
Cosmo Tin Can.
That's
Alright.
fire, yeah.
Some more Time Thief support. Erratic Sun Dragon.
I like how they reprinted a lot of the Heradic dragons in this set.
Erratic Seal of Banishment.
Heradic seals.
Starry Night Rail.
There we go. Yeah, that's nice.
Time Thief Regulator. Proton Thrasher. Metal Foes Malithrum. I still can't say that one.
Lithurium?
Metal Foes Combination. Time Thief Adjuster.
Nice.
Ojama Country.
Hey, the boy.
Dolce.
Ojama Country.
Fresh Start. Mass Change.
Hey.
Requiem?
Dark Requiem. Dragunity.
Jagunity?
Legatus.
Nice.
Archgrave Dragon. Metal Foes. PK.
That's a good card. Gigantes? That's
Oh,
fire.
yeah. Oh, let's go.
Another Arm Dragon? That's
Oh,
dope.
Fogblade.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Fogblade.
PK.
We got some fun.
Fogblade's fire. I hate Fogblade so much, dude.
I love when they have two Fogblade set and I just duster that, dude. Just get rid of it.
Some Gear Time.
The mole? Oh, E-Telly? That's fire.
Okay, let's go.
What?
Time Thief.
Come on,
Chronocoder.
evenly matched. Yeah! There we go, baby.
Okay.
Sick.
We're up
Loki.
to evenly matched.
Sunrise Guardian. Oh,
No!
Revolve Dragon.
Hot Red Dragon, nice. That's a good card.
Oh, let's go. I like that card.
That's old school, man.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Just put
First
it up
time
to the
we
side
like
here,
it.
so.
Oh, it's coming home with me. Pure Metal Foes. Artifact Dundrel. Evil Thorn.
Oh, don't scare me with the link.
Resonator Call.
Coming down, it's winding down. Foul?
Salamander Pal.
That's dope.
Terror of Trishula.
Trishula. Yo, this is the last pack right
Oh,
here.
last
is
pack
it.
magic, dude.
Oh, let's go. Got another one. And
Oh, Cypher X, that's a new card, dude, but it's worth something.
We got Retrograde, Sunvine Shrine, Cypher Blade Dragon, Splash Mage. Oh, cool! Look, I haven't seen it. Meteor Black Comet.
Yeah, that's dope.
That was much needed.
It's a good reprint.
On to the next one.
Hello. He's tired.
My Dolce Pudding Sis,
You don't want to go, you bet.
Time Thief Winder, Phalanx. Oh, okay. Oh, look.
There we go. El
El
Shaddai.
Shaddai Hollow.
Right now.
Need that.
Luis is recording a video right
We got Time Thief Startup, Sunseed Twin, Sun Avalon Bloom,
Oh, that doesn't look like Solemn Strike.
Erratic Seal of Reflection, and Legatus.
Oh, Dragunity? Nice, dude. That's fine. Unity's picking up steam.
We got Resonator Engine, Convocation, Petting Cessor, got a Cosmojo, and oh, the other tree. Oh, these look nice.
It's like a cherry blossom tree, though.
Right.
That's dope. Nice.
Oh, look, next card, Pink Dragon,
now. Pink Dragon.
Bismugear, Duranduro. Oh, I've ruined it. Evil Thorn. This was hot. OTS for a common. Oh, I like this one. Time Thief Adjuster, Psychic.
Is that a waifu?
It's a waifu right there. Maybe. No.
Too young, huh?
She ain't my waifu.
Resonator call. Solomon Great Foul. Terror of Trishula. Look how scared the wolf looks.
Nice.
Volflame. And Volvo Salamander.
Yeah, that's a new card.
Is it?
Yeah. The Volvos pick up steam. They get the heat back. I think that's what the.
Oh, that's what they're
saying.
saying? Recover.
What
I
can
have
they-
basically the full deck, a core.
What
Oh, no
can they
shit.
do
Yeah.
to wind up, bro?
Oh look, that new one. Ruchka. Or is it new? Or is it a reprint?
No, I think that's new.
Hi, puppy.
Oh, don't scare me.
Yeah, don't do that, bro.
Ooh.
And that's a little hitter.
Yeah,
Supernova.
some cheese.
So we got Arc Brave Dragon. Oh, sorry. Orichok. Fogblade. Gigantus and Whirlwind. Got a few more to go. Genius Loci. Sunvine Gardner. I've seen this one. Volvo Dragon. Got this dual terminal. Erratic Seal. And Starry Night. We got Gear Town. Mind Mole. It's a funny little card. That's right. We got that E-Telly.
You tell it. Get that crib onto the field, huh?
Right. Time Thief, Chrono Quarter, and Shooting Star.
That's pretty cool.
I haven't
That's a
seen
pretty
that.
long
This wasn't.
name. TGEX.
More TG support. What does TG stand for?
I don't know.
You guys,
All
are
right.
the, you guys are the meta players, bro.
It was never meta
What?
then.
These displays are money.
Yeah. Mass change. Royal Prison. Neither player can special summon monsters from the graveyard. What?
That's good.
That's cool. Backup Secretary.
That's a good card for Salaman Great.
Gold River and Meteor Dragon.
Nice.
Let's get in there.
Daisy, come back.
Daisy, come back.
Flyback. Volcano Handmaiden.
Beautiful.
Fairy Tale Tales. Starry Night Blast. And Estalos.
Oh, Thessalos?
I don't even know who's in here.
That's fire, dude. That's literally fire, dude.
Erratic Dragon King of
Yo,
a tomb. Atum. Ooh, we got X's pack. Time Thief Redoer. First
Oh,
Thunderbird I see.
that's fire.
Hey, for Louise.
Uh-huh. Some T-Bird.
Counter. And come on, Dark Magician.
Oh,
Dragoonity Glow.
the glow.
Only two evenly matched so far in this case.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only half.
Mythrillium. Oop, oop.
Did you pull the Divinity? This one?
Combination.
The Remus, yeah, we got one.
Ojama Country. Country. Sistart. And oh, that was scary, huh? I thought it was.
Oh, the Crystal Wing?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish.
You ever been to Chattahoochee?
Nick is intense about his pack opening.
Oh look, they reprinted this guy.
Oh, that's sick.
Of Dragoonity?
Yeah, you like Pooh Shiesty?
No. I don't know.
Time Thief. Perpetua. Erratic Seal of Supremacy. Starry Night Astel.
Hey Jacob, what you know about
Sorry,
Chattahoochee?
Look at this.
We're taller than Hoochie.
Alright, let's do Miracle Synchro Fusions. First one I see. Madolce Chateau.
That's another first.
Falco.
Falco's dope.
Fusion. And come on, Dark Magician. Starry Night Arrival. So that's another display.
That's 3 displays down.
3 displays down for
Let's go.
half the case.
We're going into number 4 with my man Nick. All right, let's go, my dude. We got another display opened up. There's the fat stack.
All right.
Meta Bro's got fat stacks.
We got that resonator engine. Erratic. Dolce.
Mojo.
How's Mojo? Starry Night.
Starry Night, surprise.
Metal Foes.
Sundown to
Dolce.
sunrise. Dance all night.
Time Chief. Trinity. Trinity. Match
Oh,
Change.
nice. There we
Yo,
go. There's
the
the
set, boy.
Royal Person.
Your boy Jake's copping
Backup
that.
Secretary.
Easy cup.
Metal Foes.
Max
Shooting
rarity.
Star. Pink Dragon. Rare Metal Foes. Artifact Angel. Oh, Evil Thorn. Looks like Plutoplant support or something like that.
That's old school.
Predaplant? Yep.
No, the Evil Thorn.
Yes, sir. What is it?
That's
Black Rose Dragon?
I'm just all over the place.
So, yeah.
I'm doing max 30 right here. Gear Town. Fine Wool. Oh, some E-Telly. Let's go.
B Telly.
Time Thief. The Wall.
I like that. I like
Sunseed.
that vanilla, dude. Sunseed.
It's pretty nice.
Looks cool.
It looks
The Wall
dope.
Dragon.
It looks fresh too, like the rarity on it. I don't know. Dragoonity, nice.
Unity, some Time Thief. A level, some Fairy Tales Tales. Sounds like a Disney story.
Oh, we need a ghost.
Erratic Dragon, Atom.
T-Bird.
T-Bird.
There we go. Miracle Synchro Fusion. That's a good card too, man.
Where's evenly matched though, brother?
That was Salamangre Falco. Okay. Metal Foes. Ball Salamander.
Resonator. Foul. Terror of Trishula. Don't scare me with the link.
Come on, Nick. Boy.
Where's the diamond hands, Nick?
What do you want me to do?
I got him.
He's like, what do you want me to do?
I'm trying. All right.
Diamond hands.
Oh.
Necros, that's a dude. That's a hitter
let's
right there.
go. That's a
Yeah.
banger right there.
That has to be short print. Well, it seems
Yeah,
like
we
it's
haven't-
all over the place.
Have we pulled that yet?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, that seems pretty. I was like, wow, that looks like a really like faded ass card.
Yeah,
That's that North American print, my dude.
I like Euro print. Yo, how much for
Some
that Hack
Dragoon?
5 Racks Euro print?
Nah. I already collected that, my dude.
You already did? I'm sad.
Hey, my dude. Nah.
Sunseed.
Taco Crusader, that's tight, dude. I like seeing
Some
that.
Buster
Scaring me,
Dragon.
Nick.
Come on, Nick.
Last pack.
Dragoonity, that's a fire card. Fusion. Oh no!
The Ghost Rare!
No!
It's not in there.
Nope, not in there.
You're lucky it's not in there.
Damn. That was Dirty McSquirty.
You guys put too much pressure on me, like cracked.
Nice. There we go. There's display number 4. So now, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. We're going into the final display. But you guys, it was half a case. 5 displays.
Gotta head over to IG.
Gotta head over to IG to see the rest of the case, you guys. You already know the Metagram, Metabro J 2020. Check out my dude Pain of Max. Check out my dude B Ayala and my main man, Nick Carthy.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Look at man, he's dangling by the nipple.
Here, I'll help you out.
Whoa! Why not? You gotta get to it fast, Nick.
Those boxes worth money, dude?
No.
We'll get with the cards in them.
That's a cardboard. It's just cardboard. It's nice cardboard.
Oh, damn, I was like trying to be like careful. That's why I've been taking forever.
See, my main man Nick's kicking it old school. He's trying to save the packs, dude.
And the box.
Trying to resell the foil.
Not just the foil, I'm trying to resell the freaking box.
That does look good.
We got Time Thief Winder, Phalanx, Mass Change, Royal Prison.
Did it, my dude.
Nick, good call.
Nick, pounds, my dude. Wow.
Too fire.
Check the back, man.
1 second.
Check the back.
Yo, Jacob, stop. You're already gonna make me cry.
Let's see this.
Woo-wee!
Mint,
Yeah,
minty fresh.
we're looking at minty.
Yo, bro.
Wow.
I'll send you my whole stimulus right now.
I know, for reals, dude. Let me cop that. I'll change you a Starlight.
No, for real. I'll send you my whole
Dude,
stimulus.
I'll send you the 10K for
The
that.
heat ends there. You don't even need to see it.
Oh,
we got a remix.
Oh, in the same pack?
Come on, let's go.
Oh, that was fire.
Evenly matched, but I doubt the rest is worth anything.
Dude,
Dude, get another ghost,
if
man.
you get it evenly matched, that was a really good box.
That was lit, dude.
Hold up, get it evenly matched, Nick, please.
No. Oh, look, the tribute lane is replay.
Nice.
Oh, where's the ghost? Where's the ghost?
Oh man.
Nick, please get it evenly matched. That's a god box if you get it evenly matched.
That's messed up. Nick was supposed to open this box.
Please got me. Please got me.
That was lit, dude.
Actually, Jacob called this upside down box. So yeah, Jacob got it.
Nice,
Jacob
dude.
actually was the original caller of the box.
That's so dope, dude.
Oh,
the
Remus.
DM.
2 Remus.
DMs dropping in the DM. That's fire, dude. Wow.
You got 2 Remuses that box? Or that
Yeah.
case? In that box?
I have a case.
No, just
Yeah.
the one. No. Just out of that box alone.
Oh, that was display.
Yeah,
What do you
just
got,
that.
Nick? Keep it going, man. Don't be acting like Dragoonity Remus right now.
Magic Unity Remus, the Dolce Tattoo, Starry Night.
Oh man, come on, another ghost, dude. I want to see it.
$500 piece of cardboard.
Oh, yeah, comments.
So if I what's it called? Zell you guys 500, I could have this
Right now.
Really? Jacob would be jealous of me, huh?
Let's go. Super jealous, man.
No, I'm just kidding.
Dude, there it is, you guys. There's the half case. There's 5 displays.
Nick, you buy it.
Yeah,
Pulled straight from the Meta Bros.
I really want to buy this.
That's so fire, dude.
That was awesome.
2 Remuses.
I'm glad we got it on for the channel.
How do you guys feel about those pulls, man?
I pulled it.
Yeah.
I pulled it, not Nick. 1-0.
Yeah, 1-0 on my man Nick, dude.
No, he's cut off. He's cut off.
He ripped into the box. He got it.
No. He's cut off for the night.
That's so tight, dude.
That was awesome.
Bless the pulls. See, you guys' pulls are very blessed, man. 3 Remuses.
2 Remuses in the one display.
Oh, nice.
2 Remus and a ghost, bro. That's pretty nice.
2 evenlies and a ghost. We got half a case for IG. If you guys want to check it out, maybe we got double lucky. Pull double
Yeah.
ghost.
You guys, before we peace out though, you guys, we're gonna hook up all these cards and we're gonna do a super meta recap of the 5 displays. Let's go. All right, here it is, you guys.
I'll be your bouncer.
This is the recap for our 5 displays. The Meta Bros straight cracked and packed. The Dark Magician, Ghost Rare, you guys. The Meta Bros have done it for the channel. For everyone that's watching, man, thank you guys for the blessings. We got some evenly matched. We got the pair. We didn't even get the set. But we did get the Remus. Super
set.
fire. Then we got some red supernova dragons. Got 4 of those guys. We got 1 Shadal Genius. And we got some Galaxy Eyes cards. Those are like the heavy hitters of the set. But we also got a couple piles and a couple piles. A couple more little piles. This is it though, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys be sure to hit that like button, you know, because we cracked that Dark Magician, you guys, just for you guys. Hit that like button, baby, all day. And then don't forget to subscribe to the Super Meta Bros, because you already know, man, the Meta Bros are Yu-Gi-Oh! You guys, this is our passion. We do this because we love it. Also, be sure to beat down that notification bell like there's no tomorrow, man. That's the only way to get down with the Meta Bros, dude. You guys gotta be notified when we upload, because it's only gonna get better from here, you guys, as you can tell.
Beautiful card.
Right on, man. I'm gonna let all my dudes piece you guys out this time.
Hey, thanks for tuning in, you guys. Glad we did it.
Nice. My main man, Max.
I pulled it.
Peace out.
Later, my dudes.
Peace out, my dudes. See you on the next one.